Hello everyone, I'm Varsha Singh, a psychic healer. Today let's relive our happiest, most fulfilling, completely magical moment in just 10 times breathing. This technique will manifest the same joyful, confident, successful moment in your life once again. This technique's ingredients are your breathing, your 5 minutes, past feelings, past experiences, past memories, and your mind. That's it. So per se, you want to be financially free or attract wealth, money, good fortune, or well-paying job, well-paying role, or you are a businessman or businesswoman and want to attract clients and projects, then just close your eyes and recall your happiest, most successful moment from your past. It can be from your childhood, adolescence, or a very recent past, which gave you courage, boosted your confidence, or it is one of your cherished moments. Doesn't matter it was a meager salary or a bonus or a pay hike or a promotion from executive to a manager, though today you may be a CEO, director, or an MD of an organization. Here we are trying to tap into the feeling of joy, success, prosperity, confidence, abundance, happiness like never before experienced. Not money-wise, but emotions-wise. Supposedly, you earned 30,000 a month and you received 100% bonus and you felt unparalleled joy. This joy cannot be compared to the joy that you would have received when this 30,000 increased to 40,000 maybe the next month. So you have to pick that unparalleled joyful moment from your past. Or maybe when you received your first salary or income, which made you superly happy that you haven't ever felt before or after that period. Or if someone is looking for a relationship, then go and hunt from your most cherished moments in your past relationships, which made you very happy and satisfied. Do not judge the person concerned with whom you may or may not be at the moment. We just need to focus on our feelings and not attach ourselves to the situations or person in the past. No judgments here. Similarly for health, see for those times in past when you were healthy, strong, happy, energetic, positive, youthful. In this exercise, we are filtering out feelings from our past, the ones we really felt, we lived, and are etched in our hearts. We are not visualizing a random future from health, wealth, and love aspect of our life, which probably may be difficult for most of us to believe and feel and imagine, because today we are not happy. Maybe. So I hope by now you have picked one of these aspects and its related past memory or the happiest experience. Now see that whole scene in your mental eye wherein you are feeling fulfilled and elated. Totally indescribable moment. Now breathe 10 times while you see and feel that moment today, here and now. Breathe in to absorb its positivity, love, light, success, brightness, and breathe out in gratitude for having such a golden moment in your life. Breathe in the positivity, brightness of that past moment which you're living right away, and breathe out in gratitude 10 times. It was you who lived that moment in real, and it is you again who is living the same moment now. so that Situations leading to similar or better feelings can manifest in coming times. Just breathe 10 times while reliving that feeling with closed eyes. It's all about feelings and emotions. I reiterate, it is not about situation, person, place, position, etc. No judgments, please. No negativities, please. Let me know in the comment box, how do you feel after 10 times breathing in and out?